In today's video, we are going to cover how to create recurring bills in QuickBooks. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, start by moving to the upper right corner and clicking the Settings gear icon. This opens the main menu where account tools and list options are stored. From that menu, look for the List section, then click Recurring Transactions. QuickBooks will open the Recurring Transactions page where you can view templates that are already in place and create new ones when needed. On that page, click New to begin setting up a new recurring transaction. QuickBooks will ask you to choose a transaction type before it creates the template. Select Bill from the available options, then click OK. This opens a recurring bill template that you can fill in with the details QuickBooks should use each time the bill is generated. Start by entering a template name. Use a name that helps you recognize the bill later in the recurring transactions list. After that, choose the recurring type and set the interval based on how often the bill should repeat. Depending on your billing schedule, this could be weekly, monthly, or yearly. Next, enter the start date. This tells QuickBooks when the recurring bill schedule should begin. If the bill is only meant to continue for a limited period, add an end date as well. If there is no planned stop date, leave that field as needed based on your setup. Now move to the vendor field and select the vendor or supplier for this bill. Make sure you choose the correct vendor before entering the rest of the details, since the bill template will be linked to that profile. With the vendor selected, fill in the bill information, enter the payment terms, then add the category or item depending on how you track the expense in your books. Continue by typing a description for the bill and entering the amount. These are the details QuickBooks will reuse each time the recurring bill is created, so it is worth checking each field carefully as you go. Once all of the bill details are in place, review the full template. Confirm that the template name, recurring schedule, dates, vendor, terms, category or item, description, and amount are all correct. This is the point to catch any scheduling or coding issue before the template is saved. When everything looks right, click Save Template. QuickBooks will store the recurring bill and return it to your recurring transactions records. To confirm it was created, go back to Recurring Transactions and look through the list. You should see the new bill template appear there, showing that it is now part of your saved recurring transaction setup. Thanks for watching. Your recurring bill template is now saved in QuickBooks and visible in the Recurring Transactions list.